am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out. Over and out.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and here we are on part 2 of our food pantry renovation. I'm excited for y'all to see this one because we're seriously going to be getting a lot of stuff done in this one today.
You see these? Pulling them out one by one.
So all of the pins that you had seen Chris and I removing from the wood wall frame was from holding up the old drywall that we took down. We seriously had to remove those one by one before we could lay any of the new drywall down. However, once we were done removing them all, Chris was taking the time to measure out each piece and cut them to size so that we can start creating the new wall. Now what we're doing here is creating a new air duct box for the filter to sit in front of. Aside from it having to be replaced, Chris and I wanted to make it smaller anyways. The previous box was too large and took up quite a bit of room in here from what you guys had seen, and it was so ugly. So the smaller the box, the more room we would have, and the filter would still be able to circulate properly with the new box. After we had secured the new frame, secured it to the wall and to the studs, we then ended up boxing it in with the new drywall. So we're going to jump over and show you the progress we've made on that. Alright, so let me give you a quick overview of all the work that Chris and I had did in here. The food pantry has been completely closed in with the new drywall that we put up. This took quite a bit of time because we had to measure out each piece, make multiple cuts, and as you can see, we had some weird cuts to make in here. But we managed to get everything up and secured to the walls. I'm loving how bright it looks in here too, and we haven't even added the paint to the walls. The next thing Chris and I did was prep the walls so that we could start adding the compound to fill in the lines and cover the screws. Y'all remember those old ceilings way back in the day that us folks would call popcorn ceilings? That's what we have in here and in our bedroom closets, which are completely horrible to me because you can lose little pieces every now and then dropping from the ceiling. So I'm glad to see Chris taking care of this and making it look like an actual smooth ceiling. After he scraped it off, he took about 30 to 45 minutes more sanding it down smooth because doing this was the worst with all of the the dust. However, we wanted to make sure that we didn't leave anything behind or any holes or any dips in the ceiling. Are you guys enjoying all of this motivation so far? I hope so, because we have a lot more that we're going to be getting to in this video. As you can see, Chris is adding the compound to the open lines of the wall. Once he's filled in all of the lines and has covered up all of the screws with the compound, I'll then come in and start painting the food pantry walls. This food pantry renovation definitely took a lot of time, a lot of hours, and a lot of days to get to this point. We had a lot of ups and downs, a lot of stopping points, lots of compound, lots of paint, and lots of love all around in this food pantry.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it.
If you guys enjoy watching videos like this and getting all of this motivation and inspiration from what I do, then I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. Not only do I do renovations, I also share a lot of cleaning motivation, makeovers, organization ideas, and everything else that I can do while being a stay-at-home mom. So I'd love to have you with us. Then once you've subscribed, please head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, because I share daily IG stories of our lifestyle, our farm life, and all that I do while being a stay-at-home mom.
My skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories.
Alright you guys, now it's my turn. After Chris had sealed in all of the lines and covered all of the screws with the compound, he then sanded down those areas to have ready for me to paint. The paint that we chose to use for the drywall was the Glidden Essentials White Interior Paint. We chose that because it had a low VOC, low odor, along with being scrubbable and washable if the kids were to get the walls dirty. You always want to have something easy to clean. Out of all the work that we did, I would have to say that painting the walls was the worst because, as you can see, it was very time consuming and a lot of work had to be put into it. multiple trips to the bin to redip my roller, multiple coats to the wall, and multiple breaks to breathe the fresh air from outside of this room. Yes, the paint was low VOC, but even though I was wearing a mask and had a fan blowing in this room to get all of that odor out, you should always take multiple breaks to get fresh air because you're still breathing in the little bits that can't be blocked out.
You make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind. Remember when we said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. What came between us? When did we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up, but it's too late to make up. Don't know what my heart will mend. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. Remember when we thought that we were better than all of the others? Just us.
Alright, you guys, we're on the last bit of work for today, so I'm going to end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel before you leave, and give me a follow as well over on my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage. I'd love for you to be a part of both of our families. Again, thank you so much for watching, so I guess I will see you again right back here with a brand new video. Bye, you guys.